Rockland Lodge 2 and 7 6 Cultural Arts Award, which we established a few years to honor achievement in the performing arts. This award this evening is being presented to Anastasia Nardone. Anastasia is graduating from North Salem High School. She's an avid theater actress. She will attend Wagner College in the fall, majoring in theater art. She's the granddaughter of our brother Raymond Nardone, and we hope to see you on Broadway someday. Congratulations.
Hello everyone. I unfortunately did not have the pleasure of taking Italian in high school, but I will speak a little Italian. Buonasera. Sono onorata di ricevere questa borsa di studio. Grazie a mio nonno. Without him, I would literally not be standing here today. I am very excited to attend Wagner College in the fall, and I will be majoring in theater studies. Theater has been a part of my life for a very long time. I've been participating in my school's musicals since middle school, and I'm also a very active member in my Art Honor Society. Whether it be studio art or performing arts, I love it all. So with that, y con un grazie all'Associazione Sons of Italy, auguro a tutti una buona serata.